Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft 3D Viewer in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start. Now here click on Settings. Click on Apps. Install Apps. Click on three dots. Then click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down. And guys, here is the option Reset. So repair. If this app not working, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So firstly, repair. And guys, after repair, still you are facing problem, so reset. And after reset, still you are facing problems, so uninstall and reinstall this 3D in Microsoft Store. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve Microsoft 3D Viewer in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.